Rollout Services Model for Multi-Location, Nationwide Installations, and International Technology Deployments. Presented by Concert Technologies. This video will examine the Rollout Services Model, the second part of the Technology Rollout System. The Rollout Services Model provides an organizational structure for multi-location deployments that is designed to increase overall implementation efficiency. It is comprised of 9 integrated components which allow for speed and flexibility, in part by dispatching fewer truck rolls as opposed to service-based deployment models. The Rollout Services Model is comprised of 9 components: project management, circuits, equipment and technology, cabling, site surveys and estimates, logistics and configuration, 24/7 maintenance, billing, and solution support. Project management is the cornerstone component of all deployments. It provides overall project accountability and responsibility for every aspect of the rollout. The circuits component supplies circuit-specific services such as testing, validation, and provisioning, while the equipment and technology component provides installations, configurations, decommissioning, maintenance, and servicing of equipment deployed. The cabling component of the Rollout Services Model includes existing and structured cabling services, demarc extensions, moves, adds, and changes, or MACs, outside plant, and low and high voltage cabling services. Site surveys and estimates allow for the technology rollout company to determine the specific requirements at each site location. Site surveys can be performed on the phone, which is less costly than the alternative of an on-site survey. Logistics and configuration account for nationwide warehousing, international deployment requirements, sparing, and service level agreement or SLA compliance. The 24/7 maintenance component includes on-site troubleshooting and repairs as well as support for international projects. Billing allows for consolidated and customized billing that meet individual needs and requirements. The solution support component fills in the gap that may exist between the solution and the system of implementation by providing any necessary services required for the complete implementation of the solution. Services in this component include on-site design and engineering, staffing and project augmentation, and training. In order for each component to work together for accelerated deployment capabilities, component templates are utilized. Component templates contain predefined requirements which need only project-specific information to be gathered, thereby greatly expediting implementation efficiency and service fulfillment speed. Together with project pricing, component templates form the master rollout analysis, which serves as an overall checklist for all requirements and services necessary to expertly deploy technology on a multi-location scale. The master rollout analysis also evaluates the project for any change management that must occur before the rollout processes begin, and it defines the post-rollout matrix needed to gauge performance. In conclusion, it is important to determine if the technology rollout company employs a component-based rollout services model. Then, you should examine the Rollout Services Model to ensure that it utilizes all 9 components necessary for complete deployment services. For additional information about the Rollout Services Model and its deployment method, please refer to our additional videos along with explanations of Part 1, 3, and 4 of the Technology Rollout System. For more information about the Technology Rollout System of methodologies and nationwide and international technology rollouts, visit us online at www.concerttech.com. Select Video Library under the Resources tab.